Hello, and welcome to Hyperyx. We provide intelligent code automation. Our mission is to empower our clients so they can focus on what they do best. In this video, we will see what will you find in our SaaS platform, Hyperyx Bolt. So, how to get started? First, you need to log into your account using your login credentials. Now, you will be redirected to the home page. As you can see, there are 8 blocks shown. Let's briefly explain what each block does. These 8 blocks are called resources on our platform. Starting with Logical Container. A logical container can be used to group your resources together. This allows you to reuse names for resources without conflicting with other projects. Mustache. This is a logic list template that represents your source code. Use mustache placeholders to make your code generic for the parts you wish to automate. Fluent function. Empower your mustache templates with any logic you can define using JavaScript. A fluent function can be used to render your source code. Data cube. Define your business logic here using JSON. Sink. In order to integrate with Git, you need to define a sink. Pipeline. Build a pipeline to automate your source code. Inject data cubes into Fluent functions, which in turn will use the data to render mustache templates and output your source code. Quick search. Search in documents for any result you need. You can even filter by last activity date, resource type, or logical container. Finally, if you need help, don't hesitate to visit the Hyperyx community. That's it. Hyperyx Bolt, start your code automation journey with us.